LCM kumba nong ipi mata ka singi dega teachers day tanga skwa banai khubli teachers day ipi baro kino hikai ke bal trish tam man hikai yaki khana ta ken kwa slam ko por jong pi. Today we are going to talk about HCF and LCM, and after that I have a formula and tricks for you. So what is HCF? Try bun preng jong ni la tip tang ba ni shu ngin shu pan kan ma mo highest HIGHS highest common factor. LCM pat ka dega ni lowest common multiple. Takin in shim ko way kan nuksa example 20 but 24 tele dingi factorize ki ano 2 6. Takin the depth ng ta dingi kwa ban factorize in further factorization ko mon ngin nam la shu ban ya do 2 namar hang ni di 5 hang ni di 6 le ning nam la hiru ban ya do 3 namar hang ni di 5 na 6 kamut ki balong common ki highest number ki balong common na kabanta ban factorize ki ni ki artli ki number ki deki tang ki ni ki artli 2 but 2 kamut ka HCF hang ni ka highest common factor ki deki 2 into 2 la ni 4 2 into 2 ki de 4. Takin lading keren habai di bat ka LCM pan kadai ke lowest common multiple pai HCF highest common factor kumut ki ar hangning yo ar tali ki number ki bade ki highest factor ki ba ngila ban divide ki ba common nek menta ki ki ar tali ma te ke LCM pan ngi a chumut 2 5 to 3 to 5 1 3 lani 3 1 1. Takin ke LCM pat kadai ke ni multiply kini ki number ba ro na jrong chapo la ne na po se jrong ba ro ni yo kano 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 1 into 1 yo kano 5 3 15 8 8 to 15 yo kano 8 into 15 yo kano Ngiyo 120 ta LCM hang ni kadai ka LCM hang ni kadai 120 ka LCM hang ni kadai 120 ta ken to ye kan ni te nila tep don kam than hera ringa spun kan ma wi kumno ban wan LCM but HCF habe di bat kino ki number ta ken yin be chakman wood ye ka ba ngwa ban ye thu ye phi ka ba don kam e man ta shubo la ding shim you know no number hanging and shim 300 ta ken la ding factorize you 300 ngiyo kanu ngiyo 300 150 to 7 5 ta ken ngia do 3 2 5 ta ke nya do 5 lene 5 tangala ban ong ni pi wo 300 la ding factorize you 300 nyo gano 2 square into 3 power 1 into 5 to power square te kani te baro bangi yatip baro ngi yatip ni hable kumno kani te baro ngi tip ye kani te baro ngitip kumno ban factorize sendri ka badon kam e manta kin kali pi hang ne ike kin kali pi nang kong e ka prime factor kan de kanno the dem nata total number factor lani total number factors total number of factors ang ni kan de kanno the dem nata number 3 kin kali pi hang ne ki sum of all the factors they can sum of all the factors they can know hang ning in yawat pi we dang don shu hang ni de kum gani ka odd factors they can know even factors they can know odd factors they can know even factors they can know sum of odd factor they can know sum of even factors they can know hang ni ki jingli ki shai wan ba hakapor exam ngani 3 pt ki prime factor ni la dingi page you power hang ni di 2 hang ni di 1 hang ni di 2 tela dingi ad ikini ki power baro ki de kan no ki de 5 ni ad ki power baro kide nyo 5 kumut kini kide ki prime factor la ding kren ye total number factors pat hakano gurkom nyo ikini ki total number factors ikini tela biang tharai nama kilatep kumno ile yakini ko total number factors nyo kumno yakini ki power hangni bangi yo ngile kumno ni hangni power 2 ni thono 2 plus 1 dep nang ta hangni power 1 ni thono 1 plus 1 dep nang ta hangni di power 2 biang jong 5 ni tho kan no 2 plus 1 kamud yo power ni add 1 yo power ni add 1 dep nang ta ngi multiply ki barong yo kan no hangni 3 into 2 into 2 tela dengi multiply ki barong yo kan no 18 kamud 18 kadeka total number factors 18 kadeka total number factors takin mentala dikyong ipi ko odd factors kadeka no even factor de kan no kay hani odd factors ngiyo total number of factors dan takin kali pi odd factors de kan no even factors de kan no takin odd factors ladi pet ya ka odd factors hang ni de ka ni sim be tang kini artli nang ni long yu ni tu hang ni ngin i nang sim no tang nam ta 3 but 5 kamun ngi yo kan no hang ni shei ga to ni sim tang nam ta u 3 but u 5 hang ni ngi yo kan no hai ngan tho 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 ladi kikli yo way hang ni the kili yo odd factors komod yo no even ngin ina la the kili yo odd factors yo no even hang ni 2 ngin ina ngin sim tang kini ki artli te la ding sim ki power jong kini ki artli yo 2 1 de ga no 3 into 2 ngiyo kan no ngiyo 3 into 2 ngiyo kan no 6 komod ko odd factor kade kan no odd factor kade kan no hang ni kade 6 odd factor de kan no de 6 takin you even factor pat phile gumna even factor ngala batai pi odd number even number fraction gitu kunta tare ye ki even factor pat ni ye kani ko total factor de 18 minus you odd factor ba de 6 ni yo kana 12 ta kamod hang ni ka even factor ka de 12 even factor ka de 12 total factor ngiyo kano 18 odd factor ngiyo 6 tegi even factor ngi minus to total factor minus odd factor ngiyo kano even factors takin kade syapang kita takin nga bali nga solve lo dikini baro namar hajing kali kila ban kali hakano kono kurkom kila ban kali phi mo prime factor jong ni number de kano total number of factors kade kano odd factors de kano even factors de kano leni ka sum of all of the factors kade no takin ban find you sum of all the factors ngin le hakano ka rukom hang ni shubo ngan ai shai phi da ka example habai de badu 12 sumut kum ya u 12 hang ni lada koi ret na ka kum yu 12 hang ni lada ngi factorize ni yo kan no 2 6 2 3 3 1 kamu 2 square into 3 to power 1 ban find ya factor hang ni ngile hagano kurkom 2 to power 0 plus 2 to power 1 plus 2 to power 2 di multiply 3 to power 0 into 3 to power 1 ngiyo kano 2 to power 2 de 4 2 to power 1 de 2 2 to power 0 de 1 gamon ngan tho pi 2 to power 0 ka de 1 plus 2 to power 1 ka de 2 plus 2 to power 2 ka de 4 into 3 to power 0 ka de 1 into 3 to power plus 3 to power 1 ka de kana 3 takin yo kana 4 5 6 7 into 3 1 ka de kana 4 takin yo kana 28 takin u total factors jong u ni total factors total the sum of all the factors kade kano 28 jong 12 hagano gur compete lada ni tho ha kata gur kom kum 12 do 1 ni laban do 1 ngila ban divide do 2 ru ngila do 3 ru ngila do 4 ru ngila do 6 ru ngila 5 tanam la dem nanta 6 8 mla 9 mla ngila no do 12 ta ken la de piat yakini ki factors baro angni pio kan 12 but 6 day 18 but 2 long 20 but 4 long 24 but 3 long 27 but 1 long kan 28 p sum of all the factors ngio kan hang ni ngio kan 28 you tu number 12 ta ken hang ni ru la ding kren the sum of all the factors of this number 300 ngio kan come 2 to power 2 into 3 to power 1 into 5 to power 2 ngila ban thogum no 2 to power 0 plus 2 to power 1 plus 2 to power 2 into 3 to power 0 plus 3 to power 1 into 5 to power 0 plus 5 to power 1 plus 5 to power 2 ta ken la dingi ken ni ngi o kan 2 to power 0 ka dei 1 plus 2 plus 4 into 3 plus 3 to power 0 ka dei 1 plus 3 into 5 1 plus 5 plus 25 hang ni la biang ada mata la dingia choose khamat hang ni 4 5 6 7 yo 7 hang ni yo 4 hang ni yo kan 25 5 ka dei 30 30 per 1 ka dei 31 la da ni multiply kini ki number yo kan 4 1 4 4 3 12 into 7 yo kan 864 sum of all the factors hang ni yo kan 864 sum of all the factors yo kan 864 ta ken le de ki clear phi hang ni to la dem de ki clear phi hang ni sum of odd factors ka de kan sum of odd factors ka de kan sum of odd factors ka de kan la de ki clear you odd kumba nga ong e phi mne pe 2 to power 2 into 3 to power 1 into 5 to power 2 la de ki clear ya sum of odd factor kumut yunui even ngin I shwa ngin sim tangi gini ki atli la tangi gini ki atli yo kan no hang ni 4 into la ding sim tang you 3 but you 5 yo kan no kade kin 4 into 31 4 into 31 4 into 31 yo kan no 1 2 4 ta ken 1 to 4 ngio odd factor la ding kren you even factor in yo kan no uni total ngio 864 ni minus 1 to 4 ngio kan no ka answer hang ni 744 ngio 744 kadai ka even factor pila ban sim nu number sa practice ban ma pila ban sim nu number sa practice 180 la nu number namar kin power ip ka bakong san ne ka mean most important kadai kai total number factors but the sum of all the factors kani kan clear phi ka total number factor but the sum of all the factors kin clear phi hang ni mo ta kai ko baong ai phi last class ni la let discuss your number system place value face value ai the next class ni solve previous year question har kat bat ka ne ka LCM bat ka HCF ta ka formula ka badon ka me hakani ka LCM bat HCF ka the product of two number is equal to HCF into LCM kani ka de ka formula ka de ka ba ni de ban kan ma product of two number is equal to HCF into LCM. Example mo number 1 into number 2 is equal to HCF into LCM. They will give the value of LCM, and number 1, number 2 you have to find HCF. Or if they give the value of number 2 HCF and LCM, you have to find number 1. Kumta bat kumta ter te hikaw mata kasing kadi kabalkot ka class mlele re next time next class in solve ka previous year question paper jong kai gni jong kani ka mtet habai di bat kai ka number system bat kani ka HCF and LCM mo in yele ya kani next class tom lele ya ka child growth development ringin selebiang but kumju ke English maths pedagogy ringin yele re jai jai lele hakar komba ngin ya sothoba te tangta kuble shibon ngin sikundu akwai ka class